So in this series, we are going to talk about DigiSpark. So this is a DigiSpark board and it's very small in size, as you can see. So we can compare it with Arduino Uno as well. Over here you can see it's almost 6 times smaller than Arduino Uno. And we can also compare it with Arduino Nano. So over here you can see the difference with Arduino Nano as well. So it's a very small device. This DigiSpark is a very small device and we can directly plug this device with our laptop. Over here you can see this is a USB port given. So we can directly connect it with our laptop. And this DigiSpark board uses 80Tiny85 microcontroller. It's a very powerful microcontroller and we will see different projects with it. So over here 6 pins are provided, 6 GPIO pins are provided. And we can use these pins for different projects. And over here 3 pins are provided. So these 6 pins are for GPIO and these 3 pins are for power. So 5 volt, ground and VIN. So we can give external power as well to this DigiSpark board, and we can also connect it with our USB port to give power depending on the project, of course. So we can use both things. And we will see this in our future videos as well. So let's just talk about these pins first, and then we will see other things in DigiSpark. So this is the pin layout. The pin layout is a little different from Arduino board because over here only 6 pins are provided, and these 6 pins are used for different things. So from 0 till 5, these 6 pins are for digital. We can use these pins as digital pins. And similarly for analog projects, we can use from pin 2 to pin 5, we can use analog pins. So pin 2 is for analog 1, pin 3 is for analog 3, pin 4 is for analog 2, and pin 5 is for analog 0. Similarly, pin 0 is for analog reference. And we can use pulse width modulation as well for servo motors and turning on and off lights. So 3 pins are provided for PWM. Pin 4 is for PWM. Pin 1 and pin 2 are for PWM. Similarly, 2 pins are provided for I2C communication, which is SCL and SDA. So pin 2 is for SCL and pin 0 is for SDA. And we can also do SPI communication. So 3 pins are provided. So pin 2 is for clock reference, and the pin 0 and pin 1 is for in and out, right? So this is the pin layout, and these 3 pins, as we talked, so these 3 pins are for the power. So 5 volt, ground and VIN. So we can also give external power. We can power it with USB as well as with external power. So this is the pin layout. In our next video, we are going to set up this DigiSpark board in our system, and we are going to install drivers and other things, and then we will see a simple Blink program, and then we will continue with some other projects as well. Thank you.